So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing another makeup haul. So let's get into it, shall we? So the first thing I picked up is the Be Perfect Carnival palette in collaboration with Stacey Marie MUA. As you guys know, I am a drag queen and I like to paint very heavy and use a lot of different eyeshadows, and eyeshadow is like my favorite step of makeup. So when I saw the color scheme of this palette, I knew I had to pick it up. It has quite a few like unique and different shades in it, and I've heard the pigmentation is bomb AF. So yeah, the first thing I picked up is a eyeshadow palette because, you know, I don't have enough of them already. The next thing I picked up is also a eyeshadow palette, and it's the Melody palette from the brand Zoeva. I think I own pretty much every single eyeshadow palette Zoeva's ever came out with, since the pigmentation and the quality is so good for like the price tag that they are. But this one just really truly spoke to me, since it's all like butterfly themed and the colors in it are like soft purple hues and like neutral tones, which is very much like up my alley, very much like an aesthetic that I like really enjoy. And for the summer, I definitely want to do like a full-on like Butterfly Queen series on my channel. So this palette will come perfectly in handy for like a purple monarch butterfly moment. The next thing I picked up is 5 different cream highlighters from the actual Beauty Bay brand. I am such a huge fan of cream highlighters to like drench my entire body with them, since they kind of like blend into the skin and give your skin that nice like brightened glow and just make you look really like dewy and fresh. So yeah, the next thing I picked up is 5 different shades of highlighter, since, you know, one's just not enough, right? The next thing I picked up is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've heard like literally nothing but good stuff about this all over social media, and I'm a huge fan of primers that make my skin nice and hydrated and like soften my canvas, but also gives me good staying power. As you know, I'm a drag queen, I apply a lot of makeup, and I want that makeup to last. I want it to be nicely locked in place, but I don't like it when it looks too like crunchy or powdery, so I'm hoping this primer does wonders. I can't wait to give it a go, and you're sure to see it in a transmission in the future, girl. And we're back to eyeshadows already. The next thing I picked up is the Huda Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette. I really want to do like a full-on like nude, neutrally like soft transformation, and this eyeshadow palette and like color scheme just fits right up that like aesthetic alley. So yeah, at some point you'll see it in a full-on transformation in the future, since I really want to do like a lot of like softer looks as well as like my fun, more creative, over-the-top drag looks, and this is definitely up the like softer, neutral, nude kind of category. So at some point you'll see a pretty natural beat out of me, for once. So this eyeshadow palette I've wanted for such a long time, and it is the Venus XL Volume 2 from Lime Crime. Lime Crime generally don't have the best kind of reputation on the internet, shall we say, based on past things they've done and how they've handled previous scenarios, but this eyeshadow palette just screamed my name so much. I absolutely love like softer, unique green colors, and this palette is full of like more unique shades, so I've wanted it for a long time. I finally caved in and picked it up, and I really want to do like a Mother Earth kind of transformation at some point in the future, and this color scheme speaks to me for that kind of look. So finally caved in and got it. From Melt Cosmetics, I picked up their Haze eyeshadow stack. Melt Cosmetics makes some of my favorite eyeshadows of all time, so when I saw that the Haze stack was actually on sale on Beauty Bay, I knew I needed to pick it up. It's pretty much just like 4 different kind of tones of glitter and shimmer like shadows, but yeah, Melt Cosmetics make amazing eyeshadows, so pretty much every time they release a collection or I can get my hands on a collection, get my hands on it, girl. And then the final thing I picked up is the Yes Ma'am liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. As you guys know, generally I like to present my drag persona as quite a like blonde bombshell Barbie kind of moment, so I needed another hot pink lipstick. I probably own like 20 different pink lipsticks that are like this exact same color, but what's the harm in picking up another one? And then, yeah, that completes my little makeup haul. I didn't actually get too many items in this haul, despite like how much they actually all ended up costing me in total, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul nonetheless. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to utilize any of these products in future transformations, and don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should hopefully be one new video every single week on a Monday at 10 PM Greenwich Mean Time, but like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you when I do bonus days. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Terrible tongue pop outro. Apologies.